Premier Interior Center also offers laminates. So you're looking here, you're looking at the HP laminate board that they have here in their booth. So laminates are bought in sheets of 4x8, and you can see the writings there. They are used for wall paneling and to add styles to your furnitures, cabinets, countertops, worktops, and other installation. So these are some of the laminates that they have. For these plain ones, kuto ba rin plain ga?
Yes.
680 per sheet of 4x8. So this one with the texture of wood, matte finish, wood grain finish is how much?
795.
795 per sheet. You gotta remember that you have to stick this to the wall with the marine plywood. So this one, this
Textured finish.
pila na siya, ma'am?
1365.
So the textured finish, matte, and you can feel the texture like it's wood. 1365 per sheet. So you can visit Premier Interior Center in AS Fortuna Road near the Shell gasoline station. Premier Interior Center also offers New Tech Wood. New Tech Wood are ultra protected against moisture because the content is made of 50% plastic, like PVC. So you can see that it's not just natural wood, it's already protected like with plastic coating like here. So it can last longer than a natural wood. So this is also the decking system, which is you can slot in din siya, ma'am, no?
Yes.
So you can slot in together, and it's sold by square meter. So how much per square meter ni siya, ma'am?
That is 8,800 per square meter, which includes also all the accessories, the aluminum joist and its accessories, and the labor as well.
Oh, okay. So there's also the solid wall and ceiling design.
Yes. It depends upon with you what do you want, what design you want, what finishes you want.
Okay. So this one is different price than the decking system.
It's just the same.
The same?
The same.
So the same price of
Yes.
8,000.
800.
8,800 per square meter.
But take note that that is include the labor.
Including the labor, which is the installation, and also the accessories, ma'am, no?
Yes, the material.
The material for installing.
Yes.
So these are some of the projects that you can do with this kind of material. For ceilings, accent ceilings.
For the plant box as well.
Yeah, plant boxes for gardens.
Yes.
Because it's a fully protected wood. So we'll have a look here. This is a Europe brand solid surface.
Or
Synthetic stones. So these are the colors available. This is the standard collection. So by square meter, yapan siya, ma'am.
That is by slab. So the slab size is 0.76 by 3.05.
So the slabs,
meters, yes.
okay. 0.36 by
0.76
0.76.
by 3.05 meters.
0.76 by 3.05 meter.
So the first slab size price is 11,500.
11,500. The premium collection,
Yes, the same size, 0.76 by 3 meters. So that is around 18,000.
18,000 for this premium collection.
Yeah, per slab.
Per slab. So this is the stone collection.
The stone collection, same size, the 0.76 by 3 meters again, but the price is 24,000 per slab.
Per slab.
So you could use it for the countertops, island counters.
Island counters, even on the kitchen tops.
Yeah, the thickness for that, by the way, is 12 mm thickness.
So you can see it's quite thick, 12 mm thickness.
Yes, yes.
So this is the multi-quartz. What do you mean by multi-quartz?
Actually, it's a man-made combination of glass and powderized marble mixed together.
Okay.
So that is less porous than marble. So that's very solid.
More solid than marble.
Yeah. What's great with this because the design and color is consistent.
Okay, so it's the same hue.
Yes.
It won't vary like the marbles. So this is the micro series. You sell this by slab as well?
Actually, that is per square meter. So 8,800 per square meter. The material only.
Okay, so it does not include the installation and unlike the decking thing.
Yes, the slab size for that is 1.6 by 2.4. That's a standard size.
Sizes.
Yes.
So,
Slab size.
but the pricing is by square meter.
Yes, yes.
So the same slab pricing, ma'am.
Yes, yes, same lang.
So even the natural series is still how much is it?
That's 8,800.
8,800 per square
square
meter. You can see the usage for the quartz. Good for countertops,
For the
island counters,
Because-
even tables.
Yes, because that is a big slab, so we could adjust the size.
So you can cut cut it for them free, like for their requirements.
We have a small charge for the cutting. Yes.
So this is the Laminates antibacterial boards. So this is this the one? The
Phenolic
board
boards.
phenolic
Phenolic boards used for toilet partition.
toilet partitions.
Yes.
And also anything where there is like like you see there is like damp area,
Yes, yes,
no,
yes.
toilet partition even in your kanang mga cabinets. Great for toilets, great for toilets, labs, or any area where the hygiene is top priority. So this is like the phenolic board, and these are the colors available in what sizes, mama?
With 5 by 6, 5 feet and by 6 feet and 6 feet by 6 feet. So this is sold by board.
So
Per piece.
per piece. So
Yes.
what are the prices like the plain colors?
So for the plain colors, we have 10,500 per board. Then we have for the wood grain, that is it range from 11,000 to 11,500 per board.
Okay, so
Thickness is 12 mm.
again the thickness is 12 mm, which is this one, no?
Yes.
Okay.
And this is also waterproof. Aside from the toilet partition, you could use this one for the benches.
Benches
Like
outside,
the park,
outdoors. You
outdoors.
can use this for outdoor, like tables and chairs outdoors,
Yes.
because they are good for areas where there are dampness can be felt. So, see, this for the toilets.
By the way, we have two accessories for this. We have the stainless accessories and the nylon accessories.
So when you buy this, accessories is included.
Not yet, but it depends upon your choice.
So they also sell the accessories for installation.
Yeah.
So this is the nylon accessories
Yes.
and the stainless steel accessories. It is available in your show
Yes.
So these accessories for installing this phenolic board is available in the shop of Premier Interior Center. So Premier Interior Center is located in AS Fortuna Road beside Caltech Station.